Hello. Just wanted to show you SundaeSwap, the testnet. SundaeSwap will be launching soon, and basically this is me getting submitting goodies request for wallet. I was funding my wallet, my NAMI wallet. Let's see if that worked. It says pending. Basically what you had to do was you had to get this as an extension, the NAMI wallet. And it kind of looks like this. And I didn't have anything in here. I, registered for the wallet, and I had no assets. Requested goodies for a wallet, so it says success. Okay. So let's see if I did when I came here. It said connect your wallet, and I had connected it right here, the NAMI wallet. And after you connect it, it says fund your account, and then you saw that. And let's see if I got anything in my wallet. Okay, so look, I did receive, these are all test nets. I got 6 assets. So the Ada, chocolate, mint, raspberry. Okay, it looks like they have liquidity pools here. Let's see. Assets. Okay, these are the ones that they gave me, the testnet, which is not real money, it's testnet. So looks like they have the swapping feature and then providing liquidity. Okay, so let's look at the pools that they have. Okay, let's see what coins they gave me so I can try to get in one of these pools. So I have some Ada and mint, looks like. So I'm going to try getting in that pool because I have both of those coins. This one right here. So in order to get liquidity, in order to do this, you have to do liquidity. Provide liquidity, and then you select the two. I'm going to select Ada, and I'll just do like, let me do max. I don't know if there's fees here, so I'm not going to do all of it. I'll leave like, I'll just do 900. And then the mint, it has to be half and half. So hopefully that calculated it for me, the other half. I only have 5,000. Okay, so maybe I can't do that much. Let's do 400. Okay, I have enough for that. So there's going to be this fee, and then I should just be able to provide liquidity. And then I confirm supply. I usually have to do that. Ordering a liquidity deposit for a pool. Okay, and then I sign it. Confirm with password. Okay, actually I don't have the password with me, but if I did, let me see. Oops. Yeah, I don't have it currently. Let me see if I can get it really quick. Sorry, just wanted to show you because actually the SundaeSwap is going to be launching here pretty soon. So yeah, I don't have this right now, so I can't do it, but that's what you would do. You would sign in and then hit sign, and then that would confirm it for you. Let me see if I can get out of here now. Or cancel. Okay, so I canceled close. But that's how you would stake on the testnet. And I don't know if you do try the testnet, if you're going to get an airdrop, maybe. But I think if you staked your Cardano in, I'm not sure which, I think it's the Yori wallet. You can stake your Cardano, and there's a lot of staking things in the Yori. You might get an airdrop for this. I'm not really sure. But the SundaeSwap is going to, the mainnet, see the mainnet launch is going to be happening. They're supposed to announce it today on Sunday, no, January 9th. But one thing they did say is there's going to be congestion. So that means it's going to be slow at first. And they're hoping everybody will be patient with them. The technology that they're using is Haskell programming language, which some people say is not compatible with everything. But I guess they're working on it, so hopefully, it'll go okay. So if you hold ADA Cardano and you're interested, this is going to be like it might be like similar to their pancake swap for Binance Smart Chain, the SundaeSwap. But we don't know yet until it actually launches and people start using it. But you see their Twitter has a lot of followers, so a lot of people are interested in this. So I just want to make a video about it just to let you know, and I hope you enjoy this. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this content. Thank you. Bye-bye.